We know we all like to think like, oh, I want this kind of dress, oh, I want this kind of suit, and you want those shoes. You just can't live without the shoes. Hello and welcome to You, and You. I'm the Budget Boss, and today we are going to talk about budgeting for life's big events. Yes, so much fun stuff, right? So first up, buying a house. Now, buying a house is super exciting. You looking around, you picking and choosing what you want, or might be building it. But there are some things to consider to ensure that you do not get stuck, stressed out after you have this beautiful house you just bought. So consider this. Start budgeting and saving for those closing costs. All of the costs that come in at the end, and they show you this long list and you're like, yeah, I don't remember that one. Let's start up front saving for those closing costs. Ask your loan officer, what realistically will my closing costs be? Get that and add some money to it, because sometimes it just goes a little sideways. So consider the closing costs, consider the insurance, consider those maintenance fees that's ongoing when you have a new house, property taxes, any upgrades that you might be thinking you want right away, or repairs. And please, even if you say yes to that home warranty, I'm just saying, please make sure you still have funds for repairs, because it seemed like stuff just wait till that new owner come in, and then it just start cracking and cracking and breaking. So have funds set aside for those initial repairs. All right, next up, the big day, weddings. Yes, planning for a wedding. Make sure that you have a budget for your wedding. We know we all like to think like, oh, I want this kind of dress, I want this kind of suit, and you want those shoes. You just can't live without the shoes. We need to plan for all of that. Set clear goals on what you want to spend on each section of your wedding. Make sure you account for those essential must-haves first, those things that you say, we must have this kind of cake, and everything can't be a must-have. So let's make sure we have discipline and what we are saying that we have to have, and budget for it. And consider extending your engagement so that you don't end up starting your marriage with a lot of debt. Creating a wedding budget, including all of those essential things. Consider what venue you have to have. Enlist the help of others. You can make your party favors yourself, invitations. It's so many resources that you can consider using to help to save some money when planning for the big day. Next, babies. We love babies, right? Planning for a family is a big deal. We have to make sure we adjust and we find that comfortable space for budgeting for a family. You want to consider your medical expenses, childcare once your baby is here, considering baby supplies and the things that the baby will need, if you will have formula or certain kinds of food, all these things, diapers. Even if you use reusable diapers, you still have to invest in quality diapers. Consider all of these expenses when starting to plan for that baby. Also, just set aside something extra for medical expenses, just because you never know. You just need to set that aside. Next up, vacation. We all love a good solid vacation. So create a budget for your vacation. Incorporate all the things that you might not think of, like if you're going on a road trip vacation, make sure you plan for mileage as far as the gas and how many miles you feel you're going to travel, so that you can budget for your fuel. You budget for your lodging, budget for your food, budget for souvenirs, budget for, oh, this is so cute. Make a daily limit for your vacation. We won't spend more than this per day. So once you break down all of those elements, you'll be able to say, this is about how much we'll spend per day, to ensure you will not have that post-vacation stress. Credit cards run up from your vacation. Our final topic, retirement. This is a lifelong endeavor. You have to consider setting up an auto save plan, what type of retirement fund you feel you will need, how you're going to diversify your investments, and then reassessing that as often as you want to set up to ensure that it still fits with what your goals are and it fits with how things are going with the economy. And as you get closer, of course, you're going to get more conservative in how you invest, just to protect what you have grown by the time you're almost ready to retire. Retirement is a lifelong thing, something that you are going to plan and set goals for, and then begin the process of saving for. Those are our tips for planning your budget for life events. I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join our community of money masters and budget bosses, and say it with me now. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. See you later.